reconciled after a long series of exhaustive experiments and much trying research.
It's very clear. It's very clear. James Bonham on the mission. Bruce Leader where I Tiger Woods the way I.
Alright, hey, what is going on, guys? So today, we got this motorcycle frame here that I found in the woods a while back. It's been sitting around for an extremely long time, so I took the engine out, I bought a new engine on eBay, and right now I'm gonna see if I can fit it onto here. So right here we got the engine. This engine is 110 cc's, and the original one off of this bike was, I believe, 75 cc's. Alright, first things first, we're gonna try to fit this onto here. So.
Do it.
Bruh.
Do it. Do it.
Okay.
So what do you do when your brother puts a hole in the wall?
Bruh.
Actually, 2 holes in the wall.
Bruh.
And dents the Z fenders.
Bruh.
Z fenders multiple times. Smashes the windshield and the hood on that.
Bruh.
Bashes in the mirror
Bruh.
fender again. Just put a couple dents in the car, you know.
So the welds are done, and right now we're putting on the chain. Chain was actually the wrong chain. And what kind of chain do we need?
420. Oh!
So we're gonna get a 420 chain, put it on there. This is a bike without the chain. All right, we got the chain completely on. We're still figuring out the wiring issues. We gotta wire everything together.
Like what goes where?
Exactly. All right, we just got Spark. I don't know what he did, but this dude is like an electrical wizard.
Sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah.
Tuesdays. Actually, no, today's Wednesday.
We got a new carbon.
Hey, it runs now.
Yeah.
We gotta do something about the cable.
Okay. Yeah, there's definitely something wrong with it. I don't know what to do.
Just try.
Alright, so I was driving this thing down the street, like full speed, and the sprocket fell off on this side. So right here, the sprocket just flew off. It's no longer there. The brakes totally got messed up. So, and so did my camera, so I'm using my GoPro now. So what I'm gonna do is just straighten everything out, rebuild all the brakes. Well, I ordered a new sprocket because the old one's gone. So I'm just gonna fix the brakes,